Hey mob, welcome back to my channel. So as you guys can see from the title of today's video, we are back with another hair tutorial. This particular video is sponsored by BGMgirl. You guys already know I will have all the info listed in the description box down below. I actually wore this wig in a reaction video that I recently did, and all of you guys was in love with this hair, so I finally was able to give you guys the tutorial, okay? This is a straight wear and go glueless HD lace closure wig, all right? So if you want to see exactly how I achieve this look, then just continue to watch. Now, it wouldn't be a SejaydaF hair tutorial if I did not show you guys all of the products that came with this wig. BGMgirl hooked you up. They even sent you a bonnet, okay? I love that part. Alright, so as I already told you guys, this wig is 100% glueless, okay? So it is natural black, it's 100% human hair, silky straight, and it is 180% density with a Swiss lace. Now, one thing that I want to let you guys know about this wig is that it literally takes like 3 seconds to put on. It's quick and easy, there's no skills that's needed, beginner friendly, and look at that lace, you guys, it's pre-cut for you. So you don't have to do no work. You're able to protect your edges, you don't need no glue, no gel, don't have to worry about any allergies. It has a dome cap and that elastic band is adjustable, so you can literally just throw this on and go. So now that I got the wig on my head and it is perfectly secure, I'm gonna go ahead and start the styling of it. Now, I did pluck the lace closure off camera, by the way, but the wig does come pre-plucked for you, as you guys saw in the beginning. But if you want to make it more so to your liking, you can definitely do so, all right? So as far as the styling with this wig, like, it was really easy. This is a silky straight wig, so I didn't have any excess shedding or any excess tangling or anything like that. The hair is super soft. Like, I will say that the hair is really soft, and it definitely held a curl, which you guys will see later on. Okay, so now it is time to start curling. I am using my curling wand because it is just easier for me to use my curling wand than a regular curling iron. You guys know I'm extremely lazy when it comes to flat ironing and curling my hair, so I try to find alternatives that make it easier for me. And it doesn't require too much work with the curling wand. You just take a strand of hair and you wrap it around. Now, I did not want perfect wand curls because I was going to finger comb them afterwards, so it didn't matter to me. But some pieces I did have to go over because I was grabbing too big of pieces, and I wasn't letting it sit on the wand too long enough. So keep that in mind whenever you're using a curling wand. Try not to take huge pieces, and also remember to leave it on the wand for at least 10 to 20 seconds depending on how tight you want the curl, etc. But like I said, I wanted my curls to be loose anyways because I was going to finger comb them, so it really just depends on what you want. But that's why I like using the curling wand though, because you have options. So I'm gonna let you guys watch this part and then I'll come back towards the end. All right, all of the curls are done. As you guys can see, some of them are a little tighter, some of them are a little looser, but for the most part, majority of them are loose, and that's how I wanted it. So now I am just finger combing the hair, and this is when I actually saw that I was in love with how it turned out, because I wasn't too sure how it was going to look because I was being so lazy with the curling wand, but I really like this, you guys. So I was flipping it to either side, seeing exactly if I wanted to keep it at the part that I had it on. I even did a quick little half up, half down, just to show you guys that if you wanted to do a different style with the wig, you can, even though it's a closure. So you do have options with this, okay? But other than that, as you guys can see, the hair holds a curl. If you want a tighter curl, I already gave you some advice on that earlier, but I will also use some Got2b glue spray. That way your curls hold and they don't fall because it is a silky straight texture. But that is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I want to thank bgmgirlhair for sponsoring this video and sending me this beautiful, luxurious wig. This hair is absolutely amazing. The texture is so soft, so silky, and it's 100% glueless. You literally throw it on and you leave, girl. So this is one of those wigs you need in your collection. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you next time.